Slowly, slowly.
Oh, can I get your picture?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's get closer. One street portrait and one street photograph, and then the best two win the prize. One street portrait and one street photograph, and then the best two win the prize. 30 minutes? Yeah, all right, 30 minutes.
It normally takes me about 3 weeks to get it.
While the guys are shooting, I'm going to get a street portrait as well. I want to ask this handsome gentleman here. He's not having it. He's not having it.
I found you in your wild.
Distracted today.
You in my wings, and I fly you away from here.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh, can I get your picture?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's get closer.
Wounded and
One more.
full of fear, hoping that you'll
Thank you.
come around.
You ain't got all the moves he's got. Let's get your picture. Hold on.
My picture? Well, with what background, sir?
No, just here's good, look. So if you lean here like this, and then just hold this. Up,
This
up.
level.
But like this. You won't see like this, you'll feel it.
Oh, okay.
But I don't want that. I just want it very, very subtle, so you won't. Right, so move here.
Like that.
What's your name?
Am I smiling?
If you want. Hat. Hold up. What the hat's doing is bringing shadow.
Okay.
Take your hat off a sec.
Come on.
Hold up. Well, you've done your hair for your hat, haven't you?
It goes well
Right,
together.
lean like this, man.
Oh.
Hold that. You can do it, though. You can do it. That's it. Hold that.
I feel you pulling at my sheets,
Perfect. Do you want my Instagram? I'll send it to you.
fixing all the corners at my feet. And ever since you left me, I can't find my sleep. Not away for you my whole life.
we doing?
Time is running out. Protect me from the love.
Can I get your portrait? Yeah?
Depends what for. Just
Well, I'm not going to sell it and make loads of money. I'm just on Instagram. I'm a street photographer.
gonna ask
I can show you the Instagram if you want.
yeah, do that.
Yeah. Do you wanna?
I don't have Instagram on my phone.
All right. Okay. That's my.
Those are lovely. Those are so cool. I'd
And-
love to. You want?
So just you can hold that. Well, what's your name?
Nina, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm not meant to be.
Smiling or no?
You can smile if you want. Smile for one. Got it. Perfect.
Thank you.
So if you want the picture, you got to remember this: the street thief. Okay.
Let me note it down.
Okay. By the way, I've been talking to these guys about the workshop, actually, the Dare workshop, which is that I run. The next one is on the 29th and 30th of January 2024. Come and do it. It will absolutely blow your mind, guys, I promise. So how's it going? You got portraits? Did you get any?
No.
Come on, man, you got to get some portraits. Just do it. Just go on. How are you doing with the portraits?
I got 2.
Yeah, we only need one.
The fear of doing it's bigger than the reality.
It's a fear of rejection.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
reality is people don't mind.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Like my whole workshop's that. It is that. Over and over again, pushing through those fears. So at the end of it, because what it is just not stacking up that rejection. Because it's not about not feeling it. Because I don't think we're conditioned to feel that shit, aren't we?
Yeah, that's true.
I don't think it's about. I'm going to go out, like I've been shooting street photography at least 15 years, full on. Okay, so the way that I feel now when I go out, it's a little dissipated. When I get out, got my camera, get on the train, get off the train, start shooting, I feel pretty much as scared as I always did when I'm shooting.
Well,
It don't look like that when I'm shooting.
That's a good thing though, because it keeps it keeps excitement there. if you haven't got that anticipation, do you know what I mean?
Well, I think,
it's a
yeah.
good thing, isn't it? You run on the adrenaline.
And then when you get it, you feel.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah,
It feels
absolutely.
good when you look at one and you think, yeah.
I smile to myself. Hi brother, you okay? How you doing?
Oh mate, can I get your picture?
Just very quickly.
Oh, just here though, just into this light. Thank you, man. I bet everyone asks you for the picture, man. I can tell. Thanks, man.
No worries. You're
Thanks a
welcome.
lot.